Okay, so I've built a loan payment calculator. We're going to fill these cells in and it's going to fill this table out. This is an amortization table. Don't worry so much about the numbers as they populate. I'll do another video explaining how to make these, but this is going to show you how the balance decreases over time and the interest, the principal you pay. Okay, so let's come up with a theoretical situation here. You're buying a new car for $50,000, okay? You're going to be aggressive. You're going to pay this off in 2 years because you don't want to pay as much interest. You're going to make payments monthly. So we're going to multiply 2 by 12 for 24 months in the term. This is a new car, so we'll say you're going to pay a 2.99 interest rate. This is just simple interest APR. It's going to be compounded monthly. So we're going to divide this by 12. All right, so you notice numbers popping in here. Don't worry about that just yet. This is where the magic happens. So Excel has a cool function called the payment function. So you're going to press equal PMT. Here's the function. It wants to know the rate, the compound rate here, the rate that's applied every month is going to be 0.2%. So we click on this field. The amount of payments in the term, 24. The present value, so the present value of the loan is $50,000, but because this is a negative cash flow for us, we're going to put a negative sign here. It's a negative $50,000. And then the future value, once it's all paid off, is 0. So we bracket that, press enter, and boom, there we go. The payment for this loan is going to be $2,148.84. And as you can see, that pops in, and here is our loan. We're paying $2,000 a month. Roughly equates to $2,024.26 in principal. This is what actually is deducted from the loan. And over time, you're going to pay your loan off, and you're going to be super happy with your new car. So that's how it works.